So if you want to see the newest black sand beach on the Big Island of Hawaii, you want to go to Pohoiki Black Sand Beach at Isaac Hale Beach Park. This is located on the southeast side of the Big Island of Hawaii. So the park hours are from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., but on the third Thursday of each month it's closed, and it happened to be that Thursday that we went. The guard at the gate told us that we could just walk in. So instead of driving down to park, we just walked in and were able to explore. And this is the old boat ramp from before the volcano eruption. So you used to be able to take your boats right out into the bay from here. So farther down the beach is a sacred area. You're allowed to go in here, but you need to treat it as a sacred area. On our way back, we decided to explore some of the hot springs. So this is one of them. You walk through and then you've got these pools of water and they feel like a hot bathtub. How's it feel, Joel?
Ooh, nice and warm, like a bathtub.